Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Boone, local and long distance movers near me. If you're moving to Boone from the city or any of its surrounding areas, then it would be best to allow local movers to handle your move to Boone. Local movers offer more than other movers in local moves to Boone. With their knowledge of the city and the repeated moves throughout the city, you are in the safest hands when it comes to competent local movers. Of course, the most competent local moves are the Boone Local Moving Team. The team has the best record for successful moves, guarantees safety, and deals with any abnormality in the move rather quickly. Boone Local Movers keep to time and are very professional and efficient. For a stress-free move and a seamless experience, we recommend the services of Boone Local Movers who are tested and trusted. Are you moving to another state from Boone and need professional movers for successful moves? For the best experience and services for long distance moves, look no further than the expert services of Boone Long Distance 3 Movers. With our experienced movers and safety conscious systems of protecting our clients' belongings, we will ensure your move is stress free and smooth. Long distance moves sometimes take longer than a day, depending on the location of your new home. In such instances, you require moving storage, a service of long distance Boone movers we provide excellently. In addition to local and long distance moving, our Boone moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.